Up next, it's everyone's favorite hurricane-related show. It's Hurricanes Beyond, coming your way on Terra TV, the Weather Channel.
The night is young, the skies are clear, and if you want
The following message is transmitted at the request of the emergency management. City of White Cloud residents, please lock all your doors immediately. Police are searching for two escaped inmates from the Lake County Jail who have been sighted in White Cloud. Both suspects are white males wearing white t-shirts and blue jeans. One is 5 foot 10 inches tall and 155 pounds with red hair and blue eyes. The other is 5 foot 11 inches tall and 185 pounds with brown hair and blue eyes. If you have any information, please contact Newaygo County Central Dispatch at 231-869-5288.